I have served both. I have served not only my Gurudev, but I have served perhaps all the prominent disciples of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. So I think myself so fortunate. I have served my Holy Master. I have served Param Pujyapad Srila Bhakti Rakshak Siddhar Maharaj, Param Pujyapad Srauti Maharaj, Param Pujyapad Giri Maharaj, Param Pujyapad Nemi Maharaj, Vaikhanas Maharaj, Pujyapad Jajawar Maharaj. Also, so much I have served to Puri Maharaj. Now, Bhakti Pramod Puri Maharaj.
Yeah.
And also I am so much fortunate to serve my Shiksha Guru, Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. From beginning, I am fortunate to serve him. From 46, when I joined, or Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, same thing like ISKCON. Only some difference of words and letters, but same thing. All are Krishna consciousness, coming from Krishna himself through the line of Brahma, Vyasdev, Sukdev Goswami, and thus from Sarup Damodar Raya Ramananda up to this, my Gurudev and Swamiji. And it will go on, it will not stop. We should have a strong belief in this. This current, this line will not stop until this whole world will be ruined and again come and again come. But this line is transcendental. It not stop any time. Because Brahma has told like this, Vyasdeva has told like this, Narad Goswami has told like this. Srila Bhaktivinoda always telling like this. So you should not think that this line will be stopped after Swamiji. Never. This line is transcendental. And you should be always thinking that, oh, pure Vaishnava will come. This world will not be empty from pure devotees. Time to time Krishna will arrange, and if there is no Vaishnava, he will come in the shape of Vaishnava like he came in shape of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Sachinandan Gaur. He is himself Krishna. So when there is no Brahma, no Shankar to manage this world, then he becomes Brahma, Krishna himself. And then he becomes also Sadashiv. So why he will not be like this? And I think, oh, in world, all time, Vaishnava will be there. You should not worry that, oh, this was the lost, Prabhupada was lost, I am lost, and after that he will be lost. Never. So, you will have to take shelter in the lotus feet of Rupa Raghunath. They are like खजांची के बोले treasurer, like treasurer. Without their mercy, we cannot realize anything, ABCD. So we must take shelter of Rupa and Raghunath. In the past time of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they are Rupa and Sanatan, always serving. Sankhya Purvak Nam Ganati Vikala Vasani Kritau Nidrahar Vihar Kadi Vijitau Chatanta Dino Radha Krishna Gunasmrite Madhurimandena Sammohitau Bande Rupa Sanatana Raghujugau Siji. Our Swamiji, Reverend Swamiji, Bhakti Vedanta Swami, he always try to sing this kirtan with tears in his eyes. Always. He was very fond of this. So, when I will see Vrindavan by the mercy of Rupa and Raghunath, Rupa Raghunath pade haibe akuti kabe ham bujhab se jugal priti. You can see, but when more mercy of Rupa and Raghunath will come, then you can realize, and you can see, you can taste what is Vrindavan Jugal Rasa. Jugal Priti. Jugal Priti means what is the love between Krishna is object of love. You know, is object of love. And Srimati Radhika is the highest abode of that love. Krishna wants to